Today we're going to do a circle check on your ice edger. Just like any other piece of equipment, this should be checked daily for optimized performance and that it's safe to operate. On our fuel-powered edger, we're going to make sure that there's oil inside of it, so we're going to remove the dipstick. And there's a sight line. We're at the top of the threaded hole there, so we're good to go. We're going to verify that there's fuel in the tank. This one's gasoline powered. So we're going to verify that there is gas inside of here, and there is gas inside of here, so we're good to go. Make sure that we hear that lid click when we close it. It's tight and secure. We're going to inspect the air filter real quick to make sure there's no debris or ice paint that's going to obstruct our view. Filter looks nice and clean. We'll go ahead and install the cover back on it. We're going to check our battery connections. This model's electric start. Checking our ground cable, making sure our power cable's tight and secure. There's also a solenoid that's located down at the side of the machine. We're going to check to make sure those connections are all tight and secure. And everything looks good there as well. We're going to go to the shutdown mechanism. We're going to pull on it. There's a bell crank on the side here. As you pull this lever down, it grounds the circuit to allow the spark to happen. When you let go, it should release, and that opens the circuit to stop the unit. We're going to inspect the throttle cable, making sure it goes all the way forward. It stays there in that position, and we're going to go back a couple positions, decreasing the throttle and making sure it stays in its position. Everything looks good there as well. We're going to inspect the choke, making sure that it goes to the desired position for the chokes. So that's full choke when the lever's pulled all the way out, and that's the run position with it all the way in. Everything looks to be working pretty good there. We've got our pepcock on our fuel system on position. It's going to go the direction of flow. So creating a wall, let it flow. We're also going to put this unit into the service position by putting it back on its back there. Same thing, ensuring that back handle's all the way up. We're going to do a quick inspection of the front runners and skis. If we see any flat spots, everything looks to be pretty good there. I'm going to give the axle assemble a quick wiggle. Everything looks good there as well. Same as our EZ3, we're going to inspect our cutting points, put our fingers on it. Everything looks tight and secure. Give the blade bar a quick shake. There's also engine oil crank seal right here as well. We're going to make sure that we don't have any oil leaks down below. Everything looks nice and dry and clean. We're also going to look at the rear runners as well. These can develop a flat spot as well, which brings the deck height down. These should be rotated annually as well. These ones look okay, so we're going to go ahead and put them back into service. We're going to inspect the spark plug wire. We don't see any damages or any contact on the engine. That all looks good. We're going to inspect the crank assembly as well. We're going to go all the way down, making sure there's no tight spots and it moves freely. No signs of bend in the crank. Everything looks good there as well. Once everything looks good there, we'll go ahead and try and fire it up. We're going to take the choke all the way open. We're going to turn the fuel on. We're going to hold down the ignition shutdown lever, and we'll go ahead and hit the key.